Have you ever considered incorporating peanuts into your daily diet? These small, crunchy legumes are not only delicious, but also packed with numerous health benefits. By eating peanuts every day, you can see some remarkable changes in your body that can improve your overall well-being. First and foremost, peanuts are an excellent source of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, making it crucial for muscle growth and maintenance. By including peanuts in your daily diet, you can ensure that you are getting an adequate amount of protein to support your body's needs. In addition to protein, peanuts are also rich in healthy fats. These fats are known as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Consuming these healthy fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By eating peanuts every day, you can support your cardiovascular health and reduce the likelihood of developing heart-related issues. Furthermore, peanuts are a great source of vitamins and minerals. They contain high levels of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Peanuts also provide essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, which are necessary for various bodily functions. By incorporating peanuts into your daily diet, you can ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients to support your overall health. Another significant benefit of eating peanuts every day is their potential to aid in weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, peanuts are quite filling due to their high protein and fiber content. This can help curb hunger and prevent overeating, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, the healthy fats in peanuts can help boost metabolism and promote fat burning, further supporting weight loss efforts. Moreover, peanuts have been linked to a reduced risk of certain chronic diseases. Studies have shown that regular consumption of peanuts may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, thanks to their ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Peanuts have also been associated with a decreased risk of certain types of cancer, including colon cancer. By adding peanuts to your daily diet, you can potentially reduce your risk of developing these serious health conditions. Furthermore, peanuts are a convenient and versatile snack option. Whether you prefer them roasted, salted, or in the form of peanut butter, there are countless ways to enjoy peanuts throughout the day. You can sprinkle them on top of salads, mix them into oatmeal, or simply snack on a handful of peanuts for a quick energy boost. With their long shelf life and portability, peanuts make an excellent on-the-go snack that can help satisfy hunger and keep you energized. In conclusion, eating peanuts every day can lead to some significant changes in your body that can improve your overall health and well-being. From providing essential nutrients to supporting weight management and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, peanuts offer a wide range of benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. So why not give peanuts a try and see how they can positively impact your body? Your health will thank you for it.